Okay, we just armed the alarm. Have the tailgate closed. We're gonna get ready to open up the tailgate. The alarm will trip. When you close the tailgate and arm the alarm, you always got to give it a few minutes, a few seconds, that means, because the factory alarms have a delay. But I think we should be good. Go ahead and open the tailgate. This concludes the installation. Thank you for watching this video. This is on a 2017, 18, 19 Dodge Ram. Is the same thing. It might even years before it's going to be the same installation. Thank you for watching this video.